Catherine Hauser. We're going to get a check of your top stories in just a moment, but first a look at your forecast with Danielle Niles. Hey, Danielle.
Hey, good morning, Catherine. Good morning, everybody. Low 70s in Nashua already, 72 there, 65 in Boston. Most of us rising through the 60s, and there are some clouds around, but they're middle and high altitude clouds. A warm front lifting northward here. A stray shower, particularly western central Massachusetts. It will be isolated, brief, and passing. Temperatures coming into the 80s this afternoon, 70s from the far south shore back down to the Cape. Heat is on the rest of the week, 85 to 90, turning humid too. Just an isolated storm tomorrow evening, and again on Wednesday, more numerous storms Thursday afternoon, and staying in the 80s right on through the upcoming weekend. Traffic and weather together, Ruby.
Danielle, we have an update on that serious crash this morning on 128. Earlier, state police told us there was a fatality. Now they say the victim, a woman, is in critical condition. The accident happened around 4 a.m., 128 northbound at Salem Street. It was a rollover. The two left lanes are still blocked during the investigation. Traffic backing up between exits 41 and 42. Catherine?
All right, Roby, thank you. Checking our top stories, we're getting video of a crash in Wakefield, just as Roby was mentioning. And now state police tell WBZ that their initial report that one person was killed in that crash was incorrect. They now say that a woman suffered critical injuries, as Roby mentioned, and was taken to the hospital. The hunt is on for the suspect who fired shots on a Dorchester street and hit a 7-year-old who was riding his bike. The Brockton boy was visiting his grandmother when he was shot in the behind. He is expected to recover. The incident happened yesterday afternoon. A 20-year-old man was grazed by a bullet. The state is considering a plan to build a new Cape Cod bridge. The concept of the third bridge has been floated around in the past, but this one would be built by private investors. The new bridge would be 3 lanes and include tolls going to the Cape. The existing Sagamore would be changed to a 3-lane road for traffic heading off the Cape. The idea, again, is still in its concept stage. Well, stay tuned right here to WBZ. Our next newscast is today at noon. Enjoy the day.